You search for how to buy shares of Mcphy Energy SA. Mcphy is a French hydrogen equipment and solutions company listed on Euronext under the ticker ALMCP.PA with a focus on electrolyzers and refueling systems. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you will need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, which typically requires an identity document, and you will need to add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALMCP.PA to locate Mcphy Energy SA. Then select the result that indicates the Euronext listing to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company overview, sector information, and the price chart, and confirm the ticker ALMCP.PA and the Euronext exchange to make sure this is the right share. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review the order details carefully and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it, and there is a link to eToro in the description if you want to visit the platform.